Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys swatches of this new set of Youcheer 33-piece sets. So if you guys want to see their new collection, it is only $39.99 for 30 polishes and one box, one base coat, one top coat, and one matte top coat. So if you guys want to see what they all look like, very good. You don't want to miss it. Keep on watching. Okay, so here's the box. It is so cute. Love the colors. Here goes the back of the box. And it just has the fact that it has a light smell. Health ingredients are non-toxic, saturated colors. These colors are very, very pigmented. It's just like the directions in the back. There's the warning just to avoid skin in contact and all that stuff, which you can see when you receive your box. And this box is available on Amazon, so I will be leaving all the links down below. So let's open it, and oh, look at that. Wow. Look at all of the colors, you guys. Wow. Okay, so these are the top coat, the base coat, and the matte top coat. It comes with a matte top coat. Okay, so this is what the bottles look like. And the amount that's in them are 5 milliliters. And their top coats and matte top coat and base top coat is 10 milliliters. So let's watch the first one. Let's see what color it is. I think it's like a pink shimmery color. That is pretty, I like that. Okay, I'm gonna put them into the lamp to cure the first coat. I'm gonna go to number 45. And this is like a nice, pretty glittery, it has like a nice chunky glitter on it, so it's not, it looks a little translucent at the moment, so hopefully it gets a little bit darker with the second coat. Okay, so number 46, and it looks like a nude with some AB glitter. Like I said, I'm gonna have to wait to see what it looks like with the second coat, because you can't even tell right now. Number 48. Loving this one. This is like a shimmery silver on top of a purple kind of base color, and this is a very pretty color so far. All right, let's go back to 44. Now it's more pigmented and you could actually see the color. Very pretty. Let's see if this has any change to it. Kind of. I don't think this is my favorite color, but good thing there's a lot more. Back to 47. Still very pretty. And I could tell you can kind of use these colors on top of other colors. So this will look good on a nude nail, a clear nail, a purple or a green type of nail. I think this one's my favorite so far. Number 48. What? Beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and use their top coat now that they're done to show you guys the finish of their gel top coat. It's actually really, really good. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it on top. It's super easy to apply as well. So let's do 49. This looks like a blackish, grayish color with some glitter on it, and I actually like it a lot. I already put the top coat on these and they already look so pretty. Wow. Super shiny. It's already done and they are non-cleansed, so they're literally done. You don't have to wipe anything off. Let's do number 50. This is number 50. Oh, I can see it already from the bottle. So pretty. Ooh, I love this. This makes the girly me very happy. That is so pretty. I think this is my favorite now. This is number 51. Oh, this is different. Oh, wow. Hold on. Hold on. I think I got on me. Look at that. And it's very, like, pigmented already. It's like a nice light pastel yellow. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to do 52. Once again, very pigmented on the first swatch. That's a gorgeous pink. 53. Kind of similar, but a little bit more on the nude side. Pretty. It's more toned down. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to 49. Make it more pigmented. Pretty. My favorite color, number 50. Wow. Pastel yellow, number 51. Beautiful bubblegum looking pink, number 52. Lighter nuder pink, number 53. Still very pigmented though. Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put the regular top coat. So these are done. They're out of the lamp. This is the top coat with the gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest and I'll show you guys what they look like because I only swatched about 10 of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the rest of the 20 and I'll show you what they look like, and then I'll go ahead and swatch some with some matte All right, so I swatched the rest. So I'm gonna continue and I'll show you 2 examples what the matte looks like on 2 other colors. So I think we left off at 53. So this is 54. 55. This is 56. 57. This one's 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. This is 64. 65. They're so pigmented. 66. This is why I can't believe this whole 33-piece set is $40. They're super great quality. 68, beautiful dark gray. 69, it's like a pretty blue gray. Okay, so this is 70. Got 71. 72. And last but not least, 73. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when you turn them into matte. So I'm literally gonna show you with the lamp right here so that you can see the transition. I'm just using my MAKARRT lamp. All right. So all I'm gonna do is add a nice layer of the matte. And this is just a replica of 54 and 70. That means I swatched them twice, so you guys can see the difference. And there's a glitter piece in this for whatever reason. I just removed it. This is the best matte I've ever tried. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back in there and I'm gonna cure it for 1 minute. All right. So this is what the matte looks like. Look at that. That's like a perfect matte. And sorry, I did get one piece of glitter on there, maybe 2. Okay, so I'm gonna show you in comparison to how the shiny looks and compared to the matte. So this is the matte 54. It's a nice, beautiful, like purple lavender color. And there goes the shiny, and goes the matte, and then here goes the shiny navyish blue color with the matte. So pretty. So if your client wants to switch it up, they can go with the flat matte, or if they want to be very glossy, they can keep the glossy top coat. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all together. Here goes all the colors. They're not gonna be in order. Oh, I got some on there, but they're not gonna be in order, but that way you can see all the many colors that you would get. It's a lot of colors for $40. Seriously. I really don't know any better deal than this. And like I said, they're not like just cheap. The thing is, yeah, the bottles probably are a little bit less than most bottles, but if you're going to start a business or you really want to have a good amount of different colors for your own personal use, then this is like a perfect idea and a perfect opportunity. They actually have the first box that I bought, not that I bought, sorry, that they sent me. when they first collaborated with me. They sent me the first box of the 33-piece set. And right now it's actually on sale, I think, on Amazon. So I think it's like 36 something. And this one right now, since it's new, it's at $39.99. So let me see. I'm going to zoom it back so you guys can see how many colors. Crazy amount of colors. That's a lot. And yeah, so basically that is all the colors. All these colors, you guys. I'm gonna actually show you my other one. So I'm gonna be putting this in the ring too. Every time I order Swatch 6, they have the ring so you can organize them. So it's gonna look like this also, but this is the first set that I have. I actually still have them, but I have them up on my shelf. You guys might see them in my videos. But this is the first set that I got. It's a little bit more organized, obviously, because they're in order. I'm gonna put these in order too so you guys can see. It's gonna look just as cute as this. But yeah, all of these, you guys. So you can probably have a good amount for literally nothing. I really feel like that price is like amazing. And this is a good set too. So if you could afford to get both sets, which will probably be maybe like way less than 80 bucks probably, because the other one, this one's on sale. This set of 30 plus the 3 other ones, the top, the matte, and the gloss is $36.99 I believe right now on Amazon. And this one right now is like $39.99 because it's a new set. All right, you guys, so that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys saw that they are great quality and it's only $39.99. How better can you get with that? This thing is amazing. Amazing. So yeah, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. And until next time, you guys, God bless you. Bye-bye.